Hey, what's up? Digger here. Is your community expanding and becoming more diverse? Or do you simply want to use a copy of your server for a separate event? In this video, I will show you the easiest method to duplicate or copy a Discord server. Let's go. Technically, Discord lacks a built-in, easy accessible feature for duplicating existing servers. Therefore, the safest workaround is to create a server template that allows you to easily clone existing channels for a new server. To use the server template method, note that it only works on Discord's desktop and browser applications. Additionally, you must be the server owner or have a role with server administration permission. First, open the server you want to copy and click its name in the upper left to view more options. Navigate to Server Settings and go to Server Template and assign a template title. You can optionally add a description as well. Keep in mind that a template copies only channels, channel topics, server settings, roles, and privileges, not messages or members. After setting it up, click Generate Template to save it. Once created, click Preview Template and give your new server a name. If necessary, add its own profile picture. And click Create to confirm. Next, close the server template settings and return to your main dashboard. You'll notice that your new server has been pre-filled with the default channels from the original server. Please note that while duplicate server bots do exist, using them may violate Discord's community guidelines and may result in server deletion or ban. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.